Yo, so I'm gonna do a breakdown on GJ. Well, not GJ, but gold. This current trade that I'm in right here. Um, see my initial targets down here, but I did get out in this area right here. Um, I literally got out right here, which was a 40% gain for me this morning. So I'll break this trade down. So basically, you jump to the 4 hour. Take this off. So basically, what I was noticing on gold was this level right here. As you see, price tapped this level, spiked up, and came back down. Tapped this level, spiked up, came back down, broke under this level. Under this level, and it's making its way back to this level. So I continue dropping. Time frames. As you see, we got support, a break, a overlap, and then price fell to this level. Now it made it way. As you see, price been trading in the uptrend. They've been trading on the uptrend, so I just dropped time frame. So I got to the 4 hour. I'm like, okay, cool. Price at a level, like a main level that price either rejects from. So as you see, price came up in that level, created a higher low, higher highs. It then it's pretty much like breaking down. We go to the dollar index to see what the dollar doing. The dollar is just plumbing to the downside, but what I'm expecting the dollar to do is at least pull back up until this area right here. So with the dollar pulling back and buyers stepping in the market, I'm expecting anything that's going against the dollar, like gold versus the dollar or Bitcoin versus the dollar. I'm expecting anything going against the dollar to go down just a little bit. Like I say, this is a short term trade. So back to gold, 1 hour. Fucking shit. All right, cool. So basically, what I did was I was paying attention to this right here. As you see, it was a lot of selling pressure on gold, and price kind of pulled back. So use your fears from this tide to this low. Price literally is rejecting against the 38. Initial targets is down here, but like I say, I cut the trade short. I was satisfied with the profits I was able to bring in. So how did I find my entry? Basically, it was simple. Just drop to the 30 minutes. So then on the 30 minutes, I got this SMA cross right here. My 50 over my 20 let me know that it's selling pressure in this area. So price came up and hit the 50, and as you see, it fell down, came back, touched the 50 again, fell down, and it pulled back. So once it pulled back right here, I just hopped in this area. I dropped 15 minutes. I ain't do nothing spectacular. I just executed. I think that sync price rejecting against the 50 SMA, so I just got in for a sale right here, and then I set my stop loss tight. So yeah, I set my stop loss tight, and then I just took price to this previous level right here. That price had came down to from this initial sell off right here. See it sell off, price rejected it, came back up, then just pretty much ranged out. So I set my targets right here. Like I say, I got out at this level right here. Got off at this level right here. And I'm expecting price to either touch this level and shoot back up, or break through this level, pull it back, and continue to sell off. So we see what gold doing the next. By New York, let's see about what gold do. About London close. Yeah, we just wait on London close, see what price do. Right now it look like you see how price came and touched this level right here, where previous touched that and spiked up. That's it look like it's trying to pull it back up into this zone. Like I said, I already got out, so I'm decent. I just want to make sure that area that I did set for my stop loss, I want to just make sure that it do get touched. Even on lower time frames, you got your 50 crossing over your 20, so that's thinking that's what it's gonna do. But yeah, give it by New York opening. New York opening. London and New York session together. You probably pick up momentum and drop. We'll see. I actually won't be able to record to afterwards, but so far it look good. We got this break of this neckline right here. Got the break of this neckline. Bam. Which was resistance turned to support. This is just a 5 minute. This I don't take anything under the 30-minute serious. I just look for entries on these lower time frames. Like you see, I just say on the 1 hour. You see how this red line right here, it really ain't showing you nothing. But then once you drop to the 5 minute, you see all this. So that's why I dropped to the 5 minute, just for to get a full understanding of what's going on. Like price failed to break these highs. Let's see what go on. Other than that, gold probably the only pair that I trade for the week. Gold be, I don't know, it just moved. It moved the right way for me. Everything else, like I haven't been able to catch a good trade on GJ. I did take a trade on GJ earlier. Let me see Which I should have just waited to New York. I should have just waited to New York to trade GJ, but I did take a trade on GJ earlier, and I ended up losing. I was down like 8%, nothing major. Then I took some trades on GU that I actually did good. Let me go over those trades. And then I took a loss on gold earlier. I got in for a buy. Well, I didn't try to click buy. It was actually I meant to click sell, so that I won't really even call that. It was I cut all my losses short, so won't really nothing major. But GU, shit, I only got GU on my watch list. Let's see. Yeah, I took buys on GU, and basically, what the fuck? Okay, so I got in at on GU at 1.3891. So 1.3891. Somewhere around here. 0.3891. Okay, so yeah, I got in at 1.3891. Basically, what I seen was I seen price. I seen price resistance, a breakthrough, and then support. And I just got in at the support, rolled it up to here, this previous level of structure, and then I got out. And as you see, price then pulled back into that zone. So that was a GU trade, but which was a quick entry and a quick exit. Good thing I got out of gold. I'd be blue right now because gold like acting like it want to pull back. And no telling what it might do. Gold might do some crazy shit and shoot out of this zone and kill all this noise and then pull back. Cause what's crazy is gold been like minus this drop right here. Gold been having a lot of buying pressure for like, let me see, 4 hours. Yeah, a lot of buying pressure. Like I had my best week just off these moves right here throughout this uptrend. So I was just looking for small positions, getting in like a shoot up, a pull back, get in, take it up, get out, doing it over and over again. So gold band was creating a lot of opportunities this past week. Now it's like it's slowing down. I'm not really big on fundamentals, so I can't really tell you what's going on. But I did read an article yesterday, and it was basically explaining like gold basically slowing down in so many words. But who knows? Like I say, see what the dollar index is doing. Yeah, like you see how the dollar index is less like in an uptrend. Like, now I wouldn't say uptrend, but it's shooting up. Basically, anything that's going against the dollar right now is selling right now. Until you see the dollar kill this level, kill this level right here. Draw that better. So you see the dollar kill this level, like you see how it's going up, or you got pop, pop. I'll say this level. So, like right now, if we go to gold, you'll bet your gold is selling off. Yeah, I'm thinking if not today, by the middle of the week, gold gonna feel like it's gonna kill this level right here, make its way into this zone. This is my thoughts personally. I could be wrong, but regardless, even if I am looking for sales on gold for right now, I'm gonna make sure that my stop loss is tight. I ain't gonna risk too much. Like right now, it look like gold is making this move to the downside. Bam. Someone's telling me to get in too right here. I was gonna get in for a sale. So if you take your Fibonacci and you pull it from that to this low, price just rejected to 38 again. Bam. Take it to right here. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna get back in. Shoot. Now in this trade, I'm gonna risk. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna risk, but alright, I'm back in. So entry, yeah, entry is 1776.7 177 6.7. Oh shit, 76 point. How's it doing now? 776.70. Alright, entry. You see, like I said, the easiest way to find out whether something gonna sell off or not is just if it's going against the United States dollar, just looking at the dollar index and seeing what the dollar index doing. As you see, the dollar index is pushing up, pushing up. I just explained it. Bam, bam. So gold selling aggressively. Now I should have held my other positions and just rolled it down, but like I say, I'd rather take some profits than don't take none at all. So bam. See what we looking like. Okay, straight. Look at price. It's crazy. Jeez. Come on. As you see, it's about to come down and touch my take profit. Come on.